Hi guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to make the flapping eagle. This plan is one of my most favorite paper airplanes because the wings of it can flap when it's fly. To make the flapping eagle, you need a printing paper. You can use letter size or A4 paper, and keep in mind that the thinner the paper, the better the eagle can flap. Also, you need a pencil to curve the wings of the plane later on. And now let's start. First of all, let me fold the paper in half this way. Make a very nice crease here. And next, unfold the paper. Now start from this top edge forward to the center crease. And repeat the same fold for the opposite side. And next step, I will start from the tip here for straight out to the bottom, and I use the center line here as my reference. I will turn the paper this way so I can fold it easier. I curve the paper and fold slowly until the tip touches the bottom, and I will make a crease here. And next step, I will fold this tip up like this. I will fold it up a little bit more. You can see the distance from the tip here to this edge is about 3/4 of an inch. And next step, I will unfold this triangle shape, and I will start from the edge here. I'll fold it straight from this intersection of the center crease and the top to the intersection of this crease to this edge. So after I finish the right side, I will fold the left side. So now let's fold the left side of the paper. After you finish both sides of the paper, you can fold this triangle shape up again. It is very easy. We almost finished the plan. Next, I will fold the paper in half. Make sure that both sides are even. And now I will estimate about 1/2 inch from the tip here along this edge, and I will fold straight up. You can see the bottom here is about 2 inches. And I repeat the same fold for the other side as well. So after I finish both sides of the wings, I will use a pencil to curve the wings, one side first and then the other side. I'll curve it, and here you go. This is the eagle, and you can see the wings are curved up for both sides. However, if you throw the plane right now, it will not flap and it just glide for a distance. So to make the eagle fly, the eagle needs to practice and it needs to exercise so it can flap its wings. And I will explain how you can throw the plane. Throw it up at 30 degrees. Do not throw it so hard, just throw it lightly. And if the wings do not flap, you need to do more exercise for the eagle. And here you go. This is the eagle. Check it out. And finally, thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.